Fuck, we zitten in de wachtrij. Come on. I'm so stressed. What the fuck? Is that a joke? What the actual fuck? I need to see Harold. Sad vibes. Ah, I did it! Fuck yeah. We fucking did it. Ah! So happy. Oh. I was watching like me to de-stress. Hi besties. We've recovered from the Harry stress and I got ready. And now I'm going to Antwerp. I'm vlogging in my neighborhood. Hello neighbors. Now I'm going to Antwerp because Ellen is doing a painting party to paint the walls in her new apartment. Yay! Can't wait. Painting party! Fit check! Wacht, you're out of focus. Oh! Concha?
Ja, dat zou ik net wel eens doen.
Oh, damn, heftig. Wow. Work it.
Woehoe!
Rest. Chef cutting up the cinnamon buns, rolls? What is it?
Cinnamon rolls.
Oh, sexy. Thank you, Al. Okay, taste test, jongens.
Oei, oei.
Bon appetit. Hi people. I cut my hair and I'm currently doing my nails, so I figured I would talk to you while I'm doing them. So, hi. I just filed down the gel that was still on there. There's still gel on there in some places, but I don't mind because it's just going to give them extra strength. And I'm going to take this file which has a lighter grid and I'm just going to quickly go over the surface of my nails because the base coat will adhere better to your nails. So I just filed it down. So as you can see, they're a bit scratched up now, but that's good. Also, this is a time... Don't listen, this isn't a tutorial because it's been so long since I've done this. This is also the time where you want to choose a shape for your nails. But let me tell you what my plan is. I am practicing playing the guitar, so can't have long nails, at least not on this hand, because I need to push down on the strings. So I'm doing these 4 nails short, but I'm putting extensions on this hand. So I might as well put extension on this thumb as well, because this doesn't need to be short. So basically I'm going to have 4 short nails, and then this is going to be long, and this is going to be long as well. Is it going to look hella stupid? Yeah. Insanely stupid. Do I care? No. And I miss having long nails, so I'm just going to do it. I don't care. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to take a cotton pad and some acetone, and I'm going to go over my nails just to get rid of any oils that are on there and to get rid of any dust that is on there. And now Gotta go in with my base coat. It looks disgusting because it's very old, but I'm just gonna put a thin layer of a base coat on all of my nails, and I'm gonna cure them in my little lamp. Am I just gonna talk to you and rant to you? Yeah. It's the start of a new year, and I am starting a new hobby. Can you guess what it is? Yes, music. So last week I went to the music school near me and I signed myself up for music class. So now I have 2 hours of music class every week where I learn to read music and just learn about music and stuff. And I also have 1 hour of singing class where I'm gonna learn to sing. I've already had the 2-hour class last week and it was fun. It's like with adults, so we are 6 adults there. It's quite a funny vibe. I think I'm the youngest in class and it's fun. I can't say that much about it yet, but for now I'm really enjoying it. I haven't had my singing class yet. I'm supposed to have it on this Saturday, but I'm going away for the weekend, so I'll have it next week. I'm really nervous for that. Because I think there's either 2 or 3 people in that class. So I'm gonna have to sing for them and for the teacher. Which is scary, okay? But we're just gonna do it. This year is about trying new things and chasing dreams, okay? So I'm gonna do it. And I encourage you to do the same thing if there's a hobby that you've always wanted to try or that you've just started wanting to try. Do it. Go sign up for it. Because you'll probably like it, okay? You will. I don't have class yet until the 12th of October. Is that normal? But yeah, so I'm still chilling on that. So I have time to figure out my hobbies before school starts. Base coat is done. I'm going to do my thumb after these fingers. So now I'm going to take my gel nail polish. It's just a nude shade. I got it at Sephora in Paris. And then I was painting my nails, but then I called a friend, so I didn't finish this tutorial. I didn't even finish my right hand, so I'm just walking around with only my left hand done. But the tutorial sucked anyway, so it's fine. Maybe I'll at some point do a tutorial for real. Anyway, this vlog was all over the place, so I'm just gonna finish it off with these clips of Menta and I walking the dogs, and I'll try my best to make a more put together vlog next time. I'm sorry. Bye, thanks for watching.